Baby, I just there, tired and stressed. Tired and stressed out. I can't bother. It's a girl, what do you do on my phone?
Girl, nothing really happened. You know, say from RJ left me just stress out, girl. No understand.
Yeah, this a girl about from RJ's chest. From
For your
RJ.
phone is a ring, so my one not ring.
Yeah, I say if you want your phone for ring, you know, go look one man for ring your phone. From the crosses boy left your ass sit down your video and a stress. Where you stress, boy?
I not say stress, you know, but a stress, you know?
I don't say stress, but a stress.
You can call him and try make things work out back for me and him, please.
Shanti, me not call no man for you. You're delusional. You're yamed, you're yam farmer, you planty. Bo call boy.
You know me I go listen to you though.
Boy, not even business with you.
Me I go listen to you and make him go on, you know?
But have to.
Me I listen to you.
Right.
Girl, I joke me I make. Call him now. Call him for me, please. And just
Say.
please not. You know, say I'm my best sister, not you.
Me know say me best.
Take time, man. Just calm and things and then say.
You know say one thing make me call little crosses boy kinda no style.
Just call him.
Let me send me a call.
You take too long, girl.
It's phone. A phone.
Ay, sorry. Yeah, my best sister.
Yeah. RJ.
Hello.
What?
What are you doing?
You know say me. Shut up.
How that?
I don't know. Me there man. You good?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Why for you good?
You know say I such girly that say me fi call you and say if you alright.
Who that? Your brown sexy sister or who you talk?
Yeah man.
Jessica, me a talk, you know.
Jessica.
Who you talk?
Me a talk about Shanti.
Hang up your phone, girl.
You come like so, you can come off from my phone.
You see?
Hang up your phone.
You see it? Embarrassment.
Me not say nothing no more.
What you say? Tappy call balling.
Me not say but.
Girl.
Me hear footstep.
Oh yeah. So, where the pan Yeah. Is that
How happened?
How happened? Me never ask how happened. You go ask him, you know, can I work it, you know? In a favor.
Girl, she feel like say she.
He likes her. So she touch me. I mean not do nothing but she feel like she can try one next year.
Can I deal with like her?
Girl, anyway, she affiliate, can you see? Me must cook one day and start the pot.
Dear?
Yeah. Girl, you see me I tell you say the boy no mean and no good. You know see this a slime bag guy boy want. It's a girl we have been sitting in a foreign.
So what you feel me for do?
What you mean by what you feel?
No, you know say you alone make
girl, dress up and go outside and your ear and your nails.
So me I don't know.
Yeah, no, me no mean like so like that way. Dress up and go outside make man see a girl. You figure your trophy?
Alright.
You put up like your things. You're not things, girl.
Me and listen to you here. But you know say that girl do what she mash up the life as far as I can see it.
We know. So what you gonna do about that? You move on, bro.
Yeah, me gonna move on. They gonna make the boy go on.
Yeah.
Right through.
But yeah. Yes, they miss some of the same look dirty sister. And they no sit my stomach. I don't know what I'm to them, you know. Hey, actually they don't have a choice. Actually, Melissa blow them like a board zinc house, you know. So they don't have a choice, you know, if you stay under my roof. But them play, I say, you know, kick them out one by one. I make a black ugly and all she forced to go kick out and feel any my size. They don't sit me, I don't know what I'm to them. But yeah, we just get a little too little. Yo, I said, they just sit my stomach. Because a mommy sick, you know, God knows.
Hold on there, Jack.
Because a mommy sick, me I put up a little two slap.
Hold on there, Jack. Hold on there.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Jesus
Christ, sorry. Sorry, miss. I walk and walk me toe. Come make me fall in love. Good morning.
Are you serious?
Jesus Christ. Good morning. Sorry, me fall, so. How your name?
You want my name for?
Mama, me not tell them that, you know. The only time I see Angel up on TV, me never...
I can't buy you a fair.
No, man, me never saw Angel in real life yet. Me surprised, me shocked. Me just want to tell her hi. What's her name? Mama, come look closer now. Your son not hot.
No, I just want to stay. You don't need to know my name.
Alright, sorry if I come on so strong. My name is Davi. You don't have to tell me your name, but I want to tell you still, I like how you look. You look wonderful, miss. I couldn't get your contact.
No.
What about your name?
You want to know my name for?
If you know your contact.
No.
You can't guess it.
No.
You can't guess it.
No.
If me guess one I number.
No, me say no.
What make? You have one boyfriend?
Yeah, me have a man. It's not call my man.
Let me see him.
What about that? Hey, sir.
Miss.
What do you?
Miss, me not tell you lie, right? My love struck. Me don't know how me feel, so. So me can't even get to talk to you.
No, you're not supposed to call my man.
Let me talk to him, man. We tell
So
him
you want to talk to my man?
we tell him what we hang up the phone and talk to him.
Hang up which phone for which man?
See you, man. Miss.
Excuse me.
No, man, miss, miss, I just 1 minute, me I beg you. Just give me 1 minute to introduce myself.
So you can't leave me alone?
Of course I can, but I can't do that now.
So why you not move right in front of me? Move now, man.
Miss, so you can't think about it.
Go on now.
You can't think
I'm
about
just a
me name
black
Davi
man,
here.
Me no want a man.
That a Davi want capital D, want big D. That one me no dog.
Davi Dan, I want more to go.
What you mean what?
You don't see like a trippy girl tripping on this stuff.
Killer, I wish a trippy girl did trip me. I walk and pretend like my butt me toe. And the girl did trip me, would I feel good? Come on, I say, what girl trip me from there? He's sexy, not sure.
He's sexy, man. He's sexy, not brute, pretty, and Ross.
See, if me get him, me lift him up and put him on top. I mean, I go up there too. Me I go up there, me I fly go up
so
there.
I make 3 first have to go up there.
Because, you know, so heaven there in the sky, I not reach a heaven yet. And the girl is an angel.
But me not like how that sound. You go put her up first.
Up in this.
And then you are go up the next.
What you mean, Tibi?
Davi, why you go do wrongs, you know?
Tibi, right now, you tell, you sound like me and you talk about 2 different things, you know, but forget about that reason.
Yeah.
You see a girl nice.
The girl nice, man, clean like a dunce girl pitney book. Yo, cleaning. I get him. Wake up.
You know what I'm get him yet? I walk, and me I say, no. Cause iPhone me on and chat now and 1 million, but that girl there either. The girl not give me the money.
Yeah, probably. Me not think if you there with her, you know, cause clean girl and like black man, you know, and
Who tell us so?
you have to can bro.
So me can't bleach.
Oh, but that gonna take your weeks and
No.
months, bro.
Me take bleaching pill and brown tomorrow morning if I feel like. Me have to get the girl there. Stop let me think killer.
But what you know? You can't fall for them, you know. Cause you see, woman and boss are 2 things when we left your road. So don't fall for your looks, nor the complexion, nor don't fall for nothing, bro. Just leave that alone, no, bro.
What make you want him?
No.
Killer, tell me truth. Whisper in my ears and tell.
Alright, I'm gonna see which one I want him more deep. Any mini man, I'm gonna catch up your band to if you ever let him go, any mini man, more.
You switch it on!
You want him, bro! Bro.
Yeah, we got clean, not sure.
Clean, man.
Yeah, want me to know, because while I go in my chat to him, tell him, say,
You want you
he might tell me, say, I treat my chat to him, and he man dep on video call, so he can't do it, you know?
No, you know why, bro. You see, any clean woman go to a black man and tell them, say they want them. And they don't want you, bro. No, look, that's so non-tall, bro.
So what you want? Money you want? If I money you want, I can fling money for him, you know?
Look, you come like me, I want. I'm here to fling money for another girl.
I show you things I'm going to do. So when you see him pass and tell him message, say the boy they're full of bricks. So go on where I go, me dog. Buy him something, yo, if I see him buy him something nice, I'm here tell him say black you, Davi. Capital D. You know me as that. Big D, yeah.
Alright.
The bread is still in there, you can't pay for the my own. Girl. But every minute
Go on. My lovely sisters. So, you know, so I try to figure out why man love me so much. Because, you know, so while I go, I go down the road, while I go, one man behind just a fall to me, so. I say, man, I move extra, me food, I want to see you go ugly boy, too. Have you said no, so I see some man go out with you, too?
I see man going with me, look like you.
Stop tell lie. Man,
Look like
man
you
not go on
too.
so with me. Send me that, watch it. Girl, don't like what you talk, I don't look good. As I said, man can't go and say
And
man
not
say
say
man the want you. When Melissa they blow then a little cottage. You little zinc/board house. If your man didn't want you to fix that instant, the next day you fix you under my roof.
Girl, fix your ear, please.
I'm
Flashing
girl,
on
shut
my eye
up.
look a bit.
As I said, yeah, so don't do that.
First thing
Mhm.
first, you don't know nothing about man. The only thing you do are there with man for things. I mean, I go sell me body for things. So you stay over there so with who want run you down or who want run you up, but me alright over here. So.
Right.
Girl, shut up.
Right, me dear.
Excuse. As I said, no, since you feel like say you own this house here, Andy. How are this? Eh? So imagine it come like say me and no man in this, you know. Because I have to me a phone no man. Me I take care of no. You not pay no rent in here, and me I do everything in this house. Look at your house dirty. No wonder why you can't have no man, because man no one nasty girl.
But check your complexion.
Check which you have a box off your face and we are talking so.
You can't cry now
Ah,
because
girl,
you're
shut up, shut
not
up,
because
shut up.
you're
Me
not
not
ask.
Me say my house.
That's not
my
safe.
house.
Don't say.
I'm my house. I'm my girl. Don't make me
Can't
let
kick
you.
you.
Don't shut up for you. Me kick you out of this. Girl, don't play with me now.
Sorry.
Don't play with me now. I mean run this you know. What if you man one size?
They get tired.
What again?
I bet say 2 wanna go come out. I bet say 2 wanna come out. I bet you. I bet say you. I see. You see the face like you are here yourself, girl. I will lick you in your face like, hey, get up now, get up. Give me this man. Yo, get up and clean your house. No, get up. Yo, me lick him in that. Who fire someone? That no sense, idiot. Yo, girl, go wipe it. Wipe it, run.
Wash him, please.
Wipe it, run.
Me no wash me, I don't mean.
Girl, me say go on for your knees and wipe it, girl. You feel like something you know. I say for your knees, you wipe this and run. That me I tell her. Get up.
Me no
Yeah,
wipe, me no wipe.
Hey, I'm a bastard girl.
Me no wipe, no.
What you do today?
Me wash him, please. Them already.
Wash plate your parents and do everything in this, eh? Girl, go on the ground and go wipe the floor. Get up and go wipe the floor. That's the day you for.
No, if you tell the truth, no, me not gonna grab myself.
Come out of my house. Come out of my house. Don't this. Don't it, girl. And don't come back in and say that me I tell you.
Sis, calm down now. Calm down
Right,
now.
sis.
Calm down now.
I want you.
We just have to tell us to calm down.
What you say? Start now.
You don't have to be so aggressive.
You swear she doesn't do what I'm gonna do. She's taking on my house.
Yeah, me sick. My stomach. But we just...
Me not busy, me dead. Because me dead, you want not dead with me too. What you say happen now?
No, but if I did the house, I feel it.
Oh, so you want to kill me?
No, sis.
So you can't have your house. If me dead, you all I know are dead.
Alright, sis.
Matter of fact, me go do something. Since any day me dead, you know what to do with it. Here, stop where I say, girl.
When you have to take it there and calm down. Listen, remember, say, sister, and stress, you know.
I care, a man I stress him.
Probably.
I been telling him to make man stress him.
You know, probably, you know, really come off like when you want to come off to you. So maybe just go talk to her.
Girl, come out of my house. 2 minutes me a girl go call you, and you not come back. You sleep out there, but I'll find one man and I'll sleep one man tonight.
No, I'm not sleeping, no, man.
Go find the girl. Come on for me kick you off from. Hey girl, move first, yeah? Idiot.
Father God, what me really doing in life, though, girl? Me not trouble people in a youth. What me really do. Me not trouble people, dog. Why me have to face them something in a life, brother? Why? Me try, dog. Me try, brother.
Sis, but you know me have a band than Jessica. Just come back in the house.
Nah, come back, sister.
Me will help her wash, me will help her cook, me will help her sweep the
It's
floor.
not about that. She use it too much, brother. She this with too much, dog. Me not coming back. Sorry to say, but me can't do it because me want to come back, but me really can't do it.
So where you go? Think about it, Shanti. You don't have a car, you don't have food, you don't know if you stay. And come to think of it, as bad as things do with Jessica, she not make you hungry, you know, she just miserable over time.
Me understand.
You know,
but
say she sniff coke. Latina taking the coke.
I know that, but I really can't do it. I gotta try those roll out it on the street because I really can't manage it. You feel comfortable in it?
Me no feel comfortable, but me not have a choice. And when you don't have a choice, you have to lick dirt, you have to kiss. You know.
Me not kiss, me know nothing, brother. Me not going back.
Girl, just come back in our house now.
You know, see, just because I rate you, but me I go think about it.
Yeah, come no more, you come back in our house now, because she said give me 2 minutes.
But we don't have more than 2 minutes.
Yeah, but you know, once me not listen time.
Me no know, but me I go think about it.
Girl, you need to come back in our house. Or you need to come up with something fast as possible, because if you go, you can't come back in.
You know me have an idea. Call RJ now. Call RJ and talk to him.
You know say you no learn. You no learn, you know say you don't. More know if a head way, foot way, or back way you come out to mommy. Cause you're not righted. This crisis boy decline how much time like your credit done. You decline how much time and you still want to force in a card in an ATM.
Just call him now. You know why best thing? But you link him.
Link him for alright. That sound like a plan. Link him. Where we go after this? After we link him.
You know what? Just link him and then me tell you what we do after that.
Alright. That sound like a plan, but I was so with this boy where you into. I don't understand.
Alright. Now if I tell you the truth, I no love RJ, you know. I really no love him, I tell you the truth. But him fool and him have money.
Oh yeah, money.
So we can
So wait, no, so you can't match him. You just go help come on, you go somewhere to stay.
But you would have make him look one house we and
For
me.
we? For you.
You would come with me? Alright, we would make him look one house me. When if you tell you say hungry girl, you give you 5,000.
Well, me not hungry. Listen to me now.
Me just
So
say-
sacrifices I make.
Kinda yeah, but you know we have to do what we are do.
But come we good on in a nitty gritty now. You know, say if you do this, you gonna expect something in return. So you gonna do that with somebody who you no love?
No, in a expect no be fool. We can't tell him say you know somebody for me. You know, I that must say you know that I want to. That is just it. He just will pay pill. I don't want you. What me I do with him?
Alright, girl. Now call him and deal with that. And you know, say if that no work, we come back here. So you know, sister easy if you catch. So we can just cook and clean and friend up.
You know your sense. Call him.
Yeah, girl.
My dear mother say.
Yeah, hello?
Hello?
Yeah, RJ, why praying?
Where are you with sexy Sean?
Yeah, man, why chop you alright?
There, man. I see your sexy sister today, you know, but you don't know, see me.
Stop tell me about my sister anyways. Thing there. You can't meet me a bamboo tree in the next 5 minutes.
Bamboo tree.
Yeah.
I just all from down there too, you know.
Yeah, man, meet me a bamboo tree in the next 5 minutes. I want a little premium smash work and I can't believe this dog. Your life in a jeopardy. You have
My
to
life in a jeopardy.
Yes, you have to come.
Sean,
down
you
now.
too lie.
Here,
Me can't know jeopardy.
come. I serious sitting my foot broke and my heart. and
Alright,
my
alright,
ribs
alright,
pop.
alright, alright.
Yeah.
I won't say.
He say nah come.
Call him
A
back.
joke. He say ma come.
You know I love you though.
Yeah, girl.
You know, say 2 minutes done. I'm not even going to that yard. Hello, what happened here, sir? How can I can? How what happened here, sir? Eh? Me not tell us 2 minutes and then what happened?
Sis, just relax.
Girl, are you me a talk to you now? What happened? 2 minutes done, you know?
Sis, I know.
Where you see how do you, sir?
Girl,
Move! You see, I'm going to move you could done. Girl, come out! Crosses. Of my expensive shoes.
The bamboo tree. See how long Sean will take to reach.
Can't be some I'm a good 10,000 shoes. I'm thinking if I could cross this too sad about it, girl. Then.
Davi! Wait.
Oh,
Come here.
son, I run, sir.
RJ! Come on.
Oh, Jesus.
So now run, so.
What going on, RJ?
A little exercise.
Yeah, deal.
What going?
A little exercise
Yeah,
you take, man. Why pray?
Me feel say somebody run down, you know, come down, nobody run me down, you know.
Oh, son. Take one like your things. There are things for nobody wearing.
Come on, add the things them. Me a hot topic. Me a every girl
Anyways, I'm
president.
another Ukombo. So, we have a little hard situation. Yeah, we have a sister. So, you know, say, we live with somebody, right? And somebody has show bad face and show what kind of face and why, man. So, we are begging like assistance from that. I know we sister, so you know, we plan to meet nobody.
Oh. So what kind of assistance you look then?
Alright, watch out. Come closer to our bush of business. My sister, one house is still. And we don't have no money to buy no food.
You're a sister?
Yeah, she needs to stay.
Jesus Christ, my favorite ex woman can never call me and tell me say you're hungry.
You know, hungry to that, you know.
Come on, see man. Shanti, stop me, come on. Hold on. Oh, yeah, Musa.
Better put some more on this here. This here? What this can do?
Come here, I'm telling you.
Go down in the jacket.
Hold on, man. I'm telling you something. Give me a call. Shanti. Hold on, now, look. Me soon chat to you in private.
I'm a
man.
sister. Me did that.
Oh, come on. My sister, you're a Shanti. So you tell me say you have living problems.
Every time I call you, I'm saying.
Because every time I call him, ask for some vagina.
Get me and get
You
you some.
attack me, I show you. So what you want my money for?
The last time I checked, she has something.
What?
It's something,
The sister up already. Liz.
What kind of sister up already is 3 month period? 3 months?
Probably she lose her belly.
You lose her belly, me would give my belly. Hey, I should know I love this girl.
So give me money now.
So you want money still now? Can't live in the world.
Alright, give me my link here.
No, man. Shanti, we are big people. A long time you grow up.
And no, I'm not grown up, but
Shanti.
me kind of sick and no
You're
one.
sick.
My sister there, so just give me money. That's
Yeah,
the
the
thing.
Jerry is the
No,
Jerry.
man.
The Tekina JR.
My thing look Lily now. My thing look Lily now, man. You see me? You know, see, you make me tell people say my name RJ, the way you deal with me. Because I tell you, right now, you know, so my friend, hold on, man. If anything, me give one $2,000 or $200. But what me I say? You know, I deal with me good. My friend name make me know, say basically you take me for one clown. And that's why I start deal with you.
Why would I do that?
Because me no.
No, me can never do that. Me could never do that, man. You mad? No, sir. Me just kind of sick. No, me know you're going to understand, you know.
Me don't understand enough. Me don't have no money. My money sick too. My money sick too. Right now, me I tell her the truth, Shanti. If you want money, you know what is the right thing to do. You see me? But buy yourself something now, the $1,000 still. The one there.
Then I say, I 2 away, 2.5.
No, man, I chat to your sister differently, man.
So give me 2.5.
No, man, I go chat to your sister differently, man. Shanti, if you want something you do.
Better just give me money.
Shanti, if you want something you do the right thing and stop going like say up your mother down. Come here now, pretty brownie. Go on up there, man. You mean to talk to you already? Go on. Excuse me. Go on, like it. I'm going to have something to talk. Okay. Show you something. Hold it on there in the bag. I'll tell you the truth. I'll make me all be with the sister. So. Sister take me to eat that. I love me, but she don't love me. Alright, now I'm willing to give up this amount. Much money you don't want 10 grand.
Oh, so I take feed that.
No, I take a fee queen.
Me take me fee queen. Take my sister fee queen. Me alright. Me have so much flip. Don't worry about that. Just do right with my sister. And me risk it. Anything, work it from here, okay? Right, sister, just call me for me 870.
So RJ, give you some money.
Pick up yourself now. And top call me so too. Because people had their name be a idiot. Feel like you can't get back money again. Feel like a one time. Different girl I want you know.
Girl, see, you just have me up and down in my son. I don't know the little underground color we may have. Alright now. What is the plan now? Because you said that the plan no work.
You know, some did think he might eat that.
Yeah.
Well, me not say me did think. But he might eat that, you see me?
You think that every day people go sit down in a disadvantage and make people take advantage of them? One day they more wise up.
That
Oh.
for real, that for real, that for real.
Think
But
of one
we
day,
are going to
you
know.
think of one day God take and make you world?
So we are going to know, Sean.
Where you are going to do now,
Remember say
Shanti?
2 minutes, gone one time.
No worry about that. What you have to do, I go in and apologize to sister. And if you tell her to sleep and you go, you just do it because you do have a choice.
Sis, you know see Jessica Vex. Let's see saying 10,000 like you wear shoes and you fling off with us a while.
You don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. All you do, you go in and if you tell her to beard him, you beard him. If you tell her to wash plate, you wash. Just let me know a key to she. Because you don't have a choice. Girl,
So what if you don't know?
furthermore, is either, if that not work, you just give up your body to such man and call you a day. Because me can't go help you.
Me not downgrade myself, you know. Such man can't go on.
So you want him money, but you don't want to give your body to him.
Me
And
go
that's why
in, eh?
people find who know what they want to find who no can want use people boy picnic.
So me never go there so if you go get the money just a while.
Yeah, but I know me I use him at you.
But me I spend it.
No, me not spend no
But
with you. Me
anyways,
tell her that from morning.
me I go-
Say
when
me will share yes so bro.
Alright, yeah man, me know. Me I go in, eh? Talk to my sister.
You know say
she
karma
not-
we catch you. Karma slow
Yeah,
to
man,
leave.
cut me. Me I go in, talk to my sister, and see what she do. If I suffer the case, me just go and tough it out.
Right. Come
Can
on.
cook her, you know. How that?
Sis. Sister, where you come in?
What's your door?
Sis.
We sorry.
Sis. Me know say you a try to be. You know, a good sister and try to be fine. That is how the stand up me I talk to you. Stand up, sis.
Just hear me out for 1 minute now, please. Just stand up.
Yeah. So yes, sis. So me know you did a try to be one good sister, but you see me did a try to talk to she from morning. And she not here, but she come to apologize. And sis, serious thing, we obey, we cook, we wash, we clean,
We do
keep the
anything I
house
tell you
clean.
if you do, please.
Me did a
One thing me I try to do one bad sis.
No,
Nobody
never
know. You
say.
just talk to
Me
your
not
mama,
love-
man. Just take
I'm not
time.
loading everything. One thing me I be a bad sis.
No, you just want
When
to
I do
see
everything
that-
for no.
Yeah.
The only problem I have in here is when you keep the house dirty.
Yeah.
Why you can't just
Come
come
on,
on, pay bill and everything, you know. I make you can't so if dead for hungry and have roof up on your head. You have everything in here, so why you can't clean?
Alright, sis. As a friend to them, I promise you. You not have them the problem there.
Never.
I mean, they just the outer road for couple little minutes of try to have a sister with. And if you come back and cooperate. That's why I take so long. 2 minutes, me never leave his spirits around them. Did I try to talk to sister? We just want to do good, sis.
Just see with you, please.
So we will cook and
You know,
do
I love you,
everything.
not you. I love you, man. That's miserable.
Yes, sis, we love you. Just, you know. So, sis, alright. So we are going to cook and you can sleep and do anything you have here.
You want your foot to scrub?
No, I'm good. Nobody friend me up too much.
Me not praying up them, just I tell us I'm sorry.
Do less talking.
Come on, look
Yes,
at
sis. Alright.
Oh, you never forget that. Me, not forget the ground.
You going, alright.
Me not clean up,
ground.
I don't clean up your ground, man. Why you worry
Yeah, we are
yourself
gonna do
for?
that. We are
Me not
gonna do
forget.
that. Yeah, we are going to do that.
Yeah, Davi Dan, I say all link about her now.
Don't know, man. So I go on. Cause from morning, me link you just in there, sound like you know. Where you Indian them?
Boy, me I tell you say, I come off a rodeo, but no feel so good, so me have to eat a one sardine and crackers. You know, no better than the youth and
So I can
funds
hear-
not to run, you know.
I'm making you link me charge the crow from morning, me out, and I can say you're hungry. I give you all the money for buy one burger or so dog.
No, you know, so really and truly, sometimes I don't like pressure people because by an idea, a man can just face the same thing with me a face, but just don't talk about it, you see me?
I don't like you to me dog, but bro, I'm not that dog. You know, say funds are not really my problem. Me active there with it for choo.
Me know you know, but at the same time, me still now want to make it be a habit of me a link
Ah.
you for everything. Sometimes I have to
I
worry.
understand, dog. I understand. But I know I'm all free that dog. But just know say I simple that in the game.
But if you want give me no problem, me take care. But if you don't want give me understand.
No, I'm all free, man. When me I go and make I get to do like I don't consume already.
Alright, so I'll go on differently though.
Dog, you know what I'm saying? I said me I think boy, me on left make the right decision.
All that.
Alright, here I go on. You know what I'm saying? Me ex that Ashanti.
Yeah man, that I same girl the way I normally talk.
You wanna know always tell me say yo, Ashanti I use me and sit down for my phones and stuff.
So you just find out.
No, I'm gonna say I wouldn't make me a top chatty.
Yeah, me say like if you just really find out.
You know what I'm saying? Yesterday my sister Shan linked me and say yo, we wanna link up on Ray. And I link him now because I say a desperate situation, heartbroken or whatever. So I link him out of bamboo tree and I see two of them a run come.
Yeah.
Shana and Shanti. So me I wonder what go on and stuff. It run off too.
Okay, some confusion.
Me I wonder if somebody run them down and I don't want nobody run me down. But you know for that. While all of that go on dog, it's like Shana show me pre say yo, my sister and a tough little Christ and all. Because two of them must blow in a Melissa and them live with somebody. And somebody not cheat them good. And right now he hungry and something. So he beg me a piece of money. But right now the money when beg me, we could have give more than that, we just give me 1,000. I just 1,000 and find something new. And they say if me can't give no more, but dog, the times right now if you want more you have to do your right thing and dog. You have to do your right thing.
Well, to be honest, sometimes all I know say some people are cynic, you know. Sometimes we have to help them. You see me? And then it's when we help them, for them conscience I go bother them. So me feel like say they can help her out still, you see me?
Killer, I don't feel like they girl there on contents, bro. Yo, some things ain't do me dog. You know one girl see period 3 months straight.
No, sir.
Shanty see it.
No, sir.
That is when tell me dog. That is when tell me. Say you have some. I don't know what you have in a dog. But
if I ever help her Shan then, if you don't want to help she then, just we say Shan and help.
Me tell Shan say yo, if you me help him out then, but she have to do the right thing. Cause bro, in a real life, me nah no feelings and all. I tell her the truth. And I say what do you me also want brown into dog. But I think sister, you have a sister named Jessica. But
whole sister them then man.
It's cool man, right now I whole family there, but really and truly me like Jessica look different from the whole of them. You see me? Jessica look different. So she in real life, so what do you mean I chat to him? And boy, you know amends me dog. God know, you know amends me.
So you're not gonna make him money talk man, because some of them girl in money talk, you know.
Might be true him approach him dog, you feel some sound like a low life bro, but
and that me I try say so now you have to make you know so yo, you're high life, you see me?
so that's I pray still, but I wonder still about Shanti. But
Like
you
me I tell you, if you give her a help, bro, me I tell you, you know.
You feel so?
Yeah man, give her a help man, think about it man. Give her a help bro. Sometimes you see all the good what we do too. Good I go follow it to say you help her and you even know the amount of blessings you get. Although you know say yo, she not really one good girl, but you know say yo, you help her. Same way Father God will bless your pocket more and more.
What do you think boy still? If he call me you know, so me I do the right thing though dog.
Do it,
so listen, no beg him no Ray if he help.
No man, just do it man. If she want give after you take it. But if you not get it, you just know say you not get it.
Killer 3 months, me did I wait for that dog. He say yo from me meeting me there on period till me and him left. And we did buy him burger and box food and which I don't know. Dog, you see certain things burn me in a life, you know, cause you see feel like he might use me in a dog, but one burger is nothing, one Popeyes is nothing bro compared to what I could have do feel.
Yeah,
right now I could have build up in your house already dog if you there move right. But
you don't know that.
You know in a dog. You have to know cause see then depend on your face and I mean link, you know. But still, my medication can help, but I like your sister dog. I go turn up and wait for me when I see your sister last time I see if I can
well, if you can run through the sister them like a play field, you know, dribble through your whole family, no problem.
You know that, cause right now I have no feelings of that how I feel in them.
Well, sometimes I feel myself, even myself, I not feel too, I not none
I'm
of
sure, yeah, bro. But that I come for a reason with the boss still, because I know say I'm a wise man in the community. So you see I go on, you see on feet. I'm left a piece of brick with you.
Yeah man, I not no problem man, I'm grateful. Anything me get me take, you see me?
Yeah, come here, take off your set time. So you have water in your house, not sure?
Yeah man.
Service that I provide. So if you're interested, you can always reach out.
Hello?
Hello?
What one?
All free. Shanti.
Me there, what go on?
I'm there too. Where are you with?
Me there, surprise. I want make you call me now.
I mean, what I call him? I can't call him my favorite ex.
You never used to call my phone.
Well, as I told you about more some things have to change up. Anyways, you know, say I call my call still, I don't feel like say yesterday ago as how it should have go. I all think about everything and I kind of feel a way how I deal with you. You know, so you tell me say you want strength and I want to help you out too. So you mean,
It's strange, master, but anyways, me here, so what go on?
So you can link up then. I mean, even want to tell us if you link up out of me yard or nothing, because I know you feel like them the intentions that me have. But you know, we link up out a bamboo tree and make you something for put towards whatever you do.
You sure about that? Or a joke thing?
What do you mean if you're sure?
Alright then, me I come. No or
Next 10 minutes, that good with you?
alright then, me I come and tell me I come out.
Alright.
Yeah. My dear. Look at my sister now. Wait. Look at my sister now. Shan!
Oi!
Come here, girl. Come.
Why you call me down so
Me have
girl?
good news, me have good news. Come sit down.
Today is not the day, you know. It's serious I come here.
Guess what? Yeah, to Chris. Guess what? Guess how this guy call
You
me?
want to jackpot?
Not yet. But guess how will call me?
Me no know, girl.
Na RJ?
What you say?
If you can't linking mouth something for me. But I don't know inside not really. He have want money if you give me
Your
car.
friend talk about bun you know.
No, sir, I don't like that. I don't like that. I remember say, you know? But he say he might help me out. He might give one piece of money, he might help me out. What do you think? If you go and take care of it?
Go man.
You think if you go or not?
Girl, the boy is the same the girl is today. The boy attacked the animal jam one side of him boy make me a dirty boy. Me not trust him. Me not trust him.
I know, but me I wonder if you go or not. What you think?
It's up to you, girl, if you want to go, you know. It's you if you want to go, but no, you want.
But like how you say I don't know. Me can just go pick up money and just come back, eh?
What you do, man? Wish you all the best with that.
Girl, me understand what you are saying, you know what? Me not go. You see me? Me no want to go and if my feelings hurt again. You understand?
Yeah, girl, better you just stay and just don't say me a tough OT.
Yeah, dog, get me.
No, you don't need a man, bro.
What man I do?
How happen yourself?
I don't know, sis. Just
Oh, no, nothing better for do.
We do everything
Every day
already.
you just, girl, me talk. Every day you just there, so just sit
sis,
down.
the
What
wife,
happen?
the cook, clean, and do everything already.
You wash your plate,
Yeah.
you clean up the floor.
Yeah, me just relax a bit.
When you find something to man, you just there, so just sit down. So I don't like this. This is about my spirit. It's about my spirit.
You know what?
Oh, yeah, where you go? Oh, where you go? You hear me talk, you keep up a chat about sis, you know what?
Me I go.
Girl, go on. You just irritate me. You see them disrespect her?
Dumpy Tom
Where she a go?
Dumpy Tom par in her mouth last night so she can't talk. What she a go?
They shall bust you up.
Shall reach by now still. Oh, Sierra.
What fun?
Where are you now?
Me there now.
The best ex.
Everything good? So where's you going now?
You know, say I thought I want to talk to you still. Watch out, nobody, as I say, nobody feel like say, I'm not more from you.
Me understand.
Watch out, I send the money to your spouse already. So
Can you tell me?
family do want to talk to you in person.
Oh,
And
alright.
because me don't want to give you no money in hand. If you feel like say me I give you and me I go try to hold it down or nothing like that.
Yeah.
No. Send the money to you already. So if you don't want to hear me I say you can walk away. I just know somebody try to talk to you.
Me here we are some man.
Alright, Shanti. Yesterday I talked to you. I have to call off my glass. Yesterday we were deal with things you could have done better and feel I'm big enough when I can reflect on my actions and know say certain style already. So, I want to apologize to you for how I behaved yesterday.
Yeah, me understand what you're saying about me apologize now, you know?
For?
To how we are two big people. All along me did I use yesterday, you know? And from your friend then tell you, if you never see it, you did try still. But for your friend then tell you, I saw you go.
Shanti, my friend then have to tell me, believe me, somebody didn't know. I know I feel a way about it every time. Come here and say, I do my all for this girl and just... Shanti, I know you that, you know. I never pass HSB, you know, but I know I look about biology. Period can't last for 3 months. But it might be 1 3 day, 2 and 5 day, but...
No, you're wrong, man. But anyways.
I don't know about that. But what I say still, I'm glad I thanks for your apology. It make me do feel better. But I really just don't help you out in that situation. So
I'm glad so you come out and tell me how you feel, whatever. Yeah, I appreciate it.
So like how everything clear up now, you can't make me start deal back.
What you say?
Couldn't make me start deal back.
No, brother. I you say you look my sister right in front of me here.
Shanti, Shanti, you move someone. No.
Nope.
Me I look her in front of your eye car, watch you know. You hurt me, you know. You put one knife in my heart and twist you know. Shanti, me not get over it, you know. But believe, obviously, if you don't want to back with me, alright. But don't say any money already, so if you all want to live right now, you can, but it's no me I say first. Please, just give me a chance to say that.
No,
just
me...
Shanti, just let me talk before you talk. Just hear me, I say. Me just, when I love back the chance to deal back with you. I love back the chance to deal back with you and make things right. Because I feel like saying me grow as a person. And hope that you grow as a person and really and truly me that want a second chance.
No, so we just can't be friends.
Friends? Shanti, really? See you know feelings to me said way?
Alright. We're going to be friends with little bit of benefits. What you say?
I hear that. What kind of benefits? You bet if we are give me benefit I don't and say you're going to do with me then. But you do that.
I better do that and done.
So me I can't deal then.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I'll go about my business then. Further on the idea, come here and look a piece of work to sort out. So further on the idea, I'm link you up. So alright. Thanks for giving me time to express my feelings.
Alright, I'm glad you hear me out, you see me?
Alright.
Yeah, me I go pass her. So not even want hug for your new girlfriend?
Oh, I can't get...
I know you move so shy.
No, as I say, I told me never want you to feel safe. I use the money and try to get you on something.
Later.
Shanti.
Oh God.
Oh yeah, go.
Girl, I don't listen me to that go girl.
So what is this that we miss me everybody?
She gone on the road.
Girl, me have good news.
What now?
You know, so me and the boy talk back.
Hold on. So you go sleep with him?
No, so fast?
Oh.
No, sir, nothing like that.
Oh.
Yeah, man, me and him are laying back. He come like he change, girl.
Come I guess so.
No, that somebody change.
But you must be a reason why you say the person
This
change.
boy never apologized to me yet, you know. And the boy still gonna apologize to me. Me apologize back still, you see me?
Girl, me not cut you. Remember say when one man want he will play hard and long and easy and smooth for go there.
You know, say me a smart girl, you know. You know, say me a smart girl. He might feel like say.
Alright, anyways.
Yes.
Hey, where you go on the road for now? You know, get nothing.
Girl, you say 50,000 on my account, girl. And me check it. And money in the... Yes, love. Me dear.
So where you go do the 50?
Where I think Mwangi, I think still... No, sister to sister. I know you will ask me. I mean,
Sister to sister, me do you right. Me no need it. It's alright.
Anyways, sister to sister, remember, son of me, alone blood in my stomach. You remember that?
Me know that.
I know me alone underneath is stressing out, you know that?
Alright, so just do and make this. Me will take you.
Yeah, me I give you a thing, dog.
So where you go now?
What you mean by where me go now? You somebody there?
Oh, me dey think you go back down there, cause you know. Man think him give you the money.
No, me fool, but no so. You crazy?
Oh, alright, me go
Me no want it. Listen to me no man. You run going so fast. Me no want him feel like I choke me stress and my depression. me I run go back to him. No,
Oh,
girl.
yeah, hold on.
Of course, you can go and pinch money little bit, you see me? Because me I hear, see me?
Alright.
Yeah, go in. She said come back so fast.
Ask me now. I saw you see every day.
So sis, we can't sit down and talk.
Every day I saw you sit down and talk, so now nothing better for do.
So sis, what happened to you now?
Sure. Mama, Cha. I only want to have my bread. I want to provide bread in here. Want my bread? Yeah, Satchel. I only want to have my bread. Every bread done, not even bread back no left in my bread. No man, no. Must have invisible. Hello. No, this is serious. Oh man. It's either I'm invisible or something wrong. You know hear me talk to you. You must see a chit, you must say name, so I'm so name the wrong thing one day. So I leave this a place, I come back some crasses.
Sister, I don't want to bread today when me hungry. She lucky. One piece of bread and on me a 50 grand, girl, me can buy 50 more bread.
But as me as a still dog, you know say all that kind of sort out. Cause me jump back all in a relationship too, you know.
Jump back.
Mm.
Bro, you don't see no tired to jump in a relationship and get kicked out.
What you mean
Bro,
by
when
that?
you go in a relationship, you don't jump, bro. You're walking. You don't even walking. You put 1 foot in and 1 foot out.
That things like that make you can't have a girl for more than 1 week. You know how to treat a lady, my dog. But regardless of that still, guess who me the back with?
Oh,
Yes.
Shanti.
Oh, say you not gone no good school.
Shanti, bro.
Yeah. Oh. Here's a catcher.
Shanti, you the back with, bro.
Yeah. Me not understand. Wait.
Yo.
No.
You fool, that I mean.
Mayu, what you mean by that?
Me did think me fool, but you fool her.
What you mean by that?
How you feel there with Shanti, bro?
What you mean how? Me say, hey babe, are we in a relationship? What you mean how?
Davi.
What wrong with Shanti?
Davi. Come on, Davi. Come on.
What wrong with Shanti?
Davi, come on. After Shanti put you too much things, put your past heavy gone to hell, and do this to you and do that to you, and pick you up and you lick you down, you bounce right back. After hard, Davi fi dead. Davi I say hard fi dead, bro.
Mayo, Shanti a good girl, dog. Let me show you how going. Me and him come together. Watch you now. Shanti I tell me say, yo, I'm sorry for all the things that I do. And me I tell him say, I'm sorry for all the things that I do too. Cause watch you now. My sister show me one praise say, he might go through and look at hardship and all that. So come, me and him start all chat back, cause sister try set me and him back up there. But I tell him say, yo, me not depend on that, you know. I don't think me depend on mockings and cuttings. But he must say, no. So eventually I go chat to my boy Puffy Dan and show him the situation and dog I say, yo, sometimes you have to do good for people, all when you not do good for you. So till me link Shanti back, bro, and me I tell him say, yo, I apologize. Cause I leave him a waste then 1,000 and I give him and I say, yo, if you want more, you have to come for some cuttings. I feel that way about it too. Worse me I like this in sister to dog, you see me? So I did feel that way about that.
Tyler.
Not really.
Oh, to me I chat about cuttings.
No cuttings, man. Cuttings and mockings.
Oh.
Drag and drop. Come and go.
But Shanti, me not think I should have the back with, bro. Too much girl out there for the back with Shanti. Shanti is a wicked girl, bro.
You feel yourself at you? Nah, me don't know, you know.
Bro,
Me only
bro, you see last time, remember say we are friends, you know, bro. You see last time me come a Shanti yard, bro. When you and Shanti, before you and Shanti left, bro. I think of Valentine's Day, bro. Shanti cook our cow foot and fried chicken. Shanti only give me 1 leg in my plate with some rice. And look how gravy and have a cow skin pot lock off of one plate.
You're too lie. So how you get finance on a cow skin? Me just on my cow skin.
No, bro, what make you feel me not rate Shanti, bro? When me go to Shanty, I time when me see you come out with the plate, I'm looking at your plate. Me didn't even make you know, say me see, bro. Me glimpse your plate and me I say, what cow skin did that? So me have to go. She go in her house, bro. She take out one little deggy piece of cow skin and put in on me hand. The cow skin hot, bro. Me have to. Before, what kind of style that? A wicked one,
I
that,
no
bro.
reason for that finna rate girl.
A wicked girl, that, bro.
No, wicked Mario. But when me come over here so far, me I tell him my problems and my love life and sitting. Tell him dog plus. Shanty are normal free dog.
That's why I don't like reason with it.
What make?
Bro, other else girl out there.
There's no girl out there, Ashanti alone out there. If me jump off right now, Ashanti me a jump to. Ashanti alone in the world. Start fuck low y'all the reasoning to me. I go home to my girl.
What can you me girl?
Lock what kind of gate? That can't lock. Aye.
Well, go on.
Me there. Oh yeah.
You can't see chicken have any dark.
No,
Me
man,
did
the
just
glass
a
too
rake
dark,
up.
man.
Just there rake up with players. So I pray.
You see that anyhow for this. Remember, so this is not me anyhow. This one I look up. Tenant yard them. I treat tenant move up. Me all there. So look at it.
Me know, man, but look up thing just drop on you, so me just rake up here, see me?
Yeah, me pay my helper for do that, man. I can't afford about that. So what, my way I just up nice, so I go.
You know, just up around now, man. Some of this brother, me go over my sister, go on easy, but you know, choke a good one, I'm not go over there. I'm there, friend here, me say, me go over there, go on. You know, but look what I go on. Yeah, man.
I understand still. Yeah, actually, you even know, you know. Look up and look at things on the road, but right now, nobody can tell me nothing, you know. I'm so glad to say, you're there so by my side again. You wouldn't even believe. God, no.
You understand, man. Everything gonna make sense soon, you know?
Alright.
So yeah, do go that road too? Alright, easy off.
No, chill. Me know where I start chill look a bit, man.
Alright.
So we'll see you then.
Just call me
Alright.
later. So baby, me can get 110 grand.
I have the money from what? Tell her, me send it to your account. You pass the squash machine.
Like what? You go send to me account, just send 15.
I'm here, man. You should have said 20. Alright.
Send me 25.
15.
25. Deal. Hi.
My woman, that one. I'm glad to meet him. I see boy after me, not boy, my woman.
Bye. So, where's this study?
Sister, go and look life, make life, look about herself. So she never tell us that she move out.
I thought she not tell me that.
Oh, well, so girl, she move out.
What an ungrateful girl.
Sis, boy. Me ain't no plan peas and lime, but this shocking come never know about it.
You sure you never know about it?
Me?
You know everything about her, your sister.
No. And everything me know about her at all. Cause I hear me here say him move out. And him tell me say him move out.
To say so. I say that's why she didn't take my car, she must upgrade.
But she take my call then. So me no know.
What do you mean by she take? Okay. That ungrateful little girl. Alright. Oh, I got my lovely sisters.
Come, why good news, girl?
So where you come from?
You don't have to know that.
I'm joking this. How you talk to some?
No, you can't know about it. We want to know that for. But anyway, sis, we have good news. The bingo.
So we look once every minute.
Girl, the bingo.
That's nice.
Girl, we bingo.
So why plan?
We bingo.
Me don't know what she talk. You don't ask her what she talk about.
The same thing. Everything she want to know. The same thing, girl.
Oh, so me here say you get through the house. I hear me here and you tell me.
The man take me here. Where would you try to talk? Where would you deal with?
I wish man take care of you.
You don't have to know that. That's none of your business.
Yeah, it's your
But
business.
anyways, no.
I wish I girl that talk to
But just
some.
come.
I mean, I talk to some because you're not in there again.
Anyways, but just come for me things them. And
Alright, talk.
but just come, girl. But just come for me things them and say me.
Hold on there, sis me only listen.
You see things that we made your chat about, girl, I come for my clothes.
Things
Me
that you
look
want
on
she,
luggage
they
them.
talk about what she
You
talk
see me?
about.
Girl, stop making sound like me now. Your plan or me know your plan.
Girl, a full time if you talk Fred or now.
I'm not afraid of
A
nobody.
full shit. You don't tell if you use it.
Me not afraid of nobody.
Put on your socks and dry up here and cut, girl. That makes you use you.
Sis.
It a play you? No, listen to me. Listen
Me
to
I use you?
no. Of course you use me. You use we. By the way, afraid she afraid. You see me?
Me I use you and all me do I do good for you.
What?
You're ungrateful and I hope when you
Wash
buck
your
up,
clothes,
I hope
watch
when you buck up, you don't come back here because you have a buck
I'm
up.
a video man.
Don't worry yourself.
You wash.
Yes, hold on.
If I
you
stop
come
in
for your
case you
things,
wash
then
your body.
go for your things and say where I'm going. No, we're going to your clothes.
I me a go do.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to your clothes.
Me, I'm not saying.
I have a buck up.
Me, I'm not saying. First thing.
I could have your coat, like could have your place, brother, nice time. You want to take disadvantage of me?
No, when you say.
You know about it. You know about it. Stop going like you don't know about it. You're full time now, girl. My man have money, me have money. Me can take you out of this place, girl. You're not tired of them something, yeah?
Man have money.
That me say. You're not tired of them something, me not talk to
You
you.
sure you're a man?
Me not sure yet, but me know say
Man,
me have a
I
partner.
take your man.
That
And then take your and you get buck up, don't come back on my house.
That's after.
But don't I said you want to follow her and go on when her man drop her again? For the business, because that's the relationship you now got.
You know what? Me not go listen to this, yeah. Them are clothes and them, yeah. Can't stay.
Because me say one pair feet close them. Go on.
That's why me a leave them.
Go on, let's see the
Peter
door.
here.
I
Oh,
hope I right child for me.
Yeah.
go on. God shall take that man. Watch. Idiot.
Why, Father God, Jesus Christ. You make this affair happen to me now when me have to go choose side. Jesus Christ. You see where you look girl put me now?
Watch him, man. Sean, are you me a talk to you now? Watch him, man. Girl, is he they go talk or you join her? Who is our man?
No, sis, me no know him, man.
Girl, you have to know a man. And your sister, she tell her everything. Everybody she are taking her role.
No, she not tell me everything, sis. Sit down. She not tell me everything. Me I tell her.
What me I sit down for?
Why, sis?
Alright.
Me I tell her say a year, me here say the girl a move out.
Girl, start talk now. I'm not bother with you now. Me know when you lie.
Sis, me not tell her no.
Yeah, my sister. Me know when you lie.
Alright.
Start chat now, no?
Alright.
I want a picture. I want to know and live. I want to know everything about this nigga.
Alright. See me.
I must jot this.
Tell her
At that them, wait now. I fear her man that.
in live.
That dirty boy that we looked me a couple weeks ago. Watch that boy. Me fi call him D.
In live a white all.
I know what to do. Not say nothing more. I know that
But
boy.
me have his number.
Give me a number. I want to tell him something very sweet.
See number, yeah. Sis, me not think I want a good idea this one.
I take me go take her man. I thought fuck me call this freaker
Sis,
right now.
but I your sister.
I don't care, she too bright. That not gonna last. A whore boy that you know. A couple weeks ago that boy there, that's why there you come. You remember the day I come and I said to you and I tell you so why you not top one mad? Him, I'll chip in trip. I chop boy saying want jump in my life.
I'm fine him for me never know him.
Wanna ring. Hello,
Hello?
Davi?
Hi, who's this?
I'm Jessica.
Which Jessica that?
You remember a girl where you tell if you save as Big D?
Oh, Browning!
Why pray?
Me there, man. What going?
No, I'm gonna see one day if you can make a link up, you know?
Link up. You know, what kind of link up that?
Want to talk to you, you know?
Mr. No, say, no disrespect, though. I know, say, me know a relationship, you know, so if I them be type of sit there,
Me not care if you're in a relationship. I say I want to talk to you, so you need to figure out a way.
no, sir. If a relationship stuff you want to talk to me about, me couldn't know that. If a regular talking door, maybe me could have facilitated.
My youth, you gonna make a link up or what?
No, sir.
How long you want me, so why when me want to talk to you, no, you don't want to talk? How what happen?
No, sir. Me in a relationship, man. Me can't do nothing about that. Me, matter of fact, me in a relationship with your sister.
So now that's why I want to talk to you about my sister. I have some serious thing I need to talk to you about what she do because she doing good for you.
Serious? Like what, so?
I tell me, my sister, you know, and my sister, you're a good youth. And the day my sister, I say,
No, you know, say, from when people are telling me say bad things.
No, I say, I'm my sister, and so I'm going to know everything and be a bad news. So if you want to hear the news, then you know if you find me or make me find you. Which one?
Alright, tell her, I want to hear, because if anybody could have told me nothing, I would have must be a family member.
Exactly, she's a wicked girl.
Alright, tell her, me send her my location and link me in around the next hour. Alright.
See? Just like that. She taking kick out, so you should have followed her and go down there and see if you get kick out. That relationship done, you know, because I'm out of something I have to say. That boy now I look at him again, let me take him for myself. Simple. 1, 2, 3.
Then this sister would gone to. Sister take sister man. My dear.
How are you going to be?
Huh?
How are you going?
Oh, yeah.
Why you look so worried? What happened?
You be right now 3 in the evening and some terrible news me here, like I'm get on call.
So what?
No man, I can't tell about him and one of my brethren, them say, yo, in your house abandoned and I have to go follow him, go throw sand pan here and sit right
Me
there.
come follow
No man, baby, I don't want to fire burn you because I tell him say fire hot and sitting, but how you look so like you...
Some eat something, some worry for something going on here. Right about now, around or something I live. Me now go back around this one. Around or something I live.
Me?
Yes.
Alright, baby, when me come back still?
When you come up, me talk here.
Alright. What could have happened, man, for all I got me? You want to meet up with me, man?
Some can come. Come here, son. Talk about bushy places.
Boy, if you tell her the truth, you know, me just... Come for nigga, man. I want to look fine when I talk to you. What you have to tell me, sir?
I make you look so stressed out.
Because you say you have some things to
You
tell me.
so stressed about girl when I stress about you and I use you?
No, what you mean him a use me?
She a use you, she say you're ATM.
What?
Step back there. She say you're ATM. The time she ready for money, she just 1, 2, 3.
I lie you tell.
Yeah, 50 grand when you send her. She just use that and waste it.
What?
She a ATM, you don't believe me?
No, man, me not believe so.
You don't believe me, you don't just send her money while ago.
So you know that?
Because she come over here have hopes. A boss. You're not just foolish. She come over here while I got a boss.
What you my boss say?
Say your ATM and anytime she want when she can get money and she just tell us if you send the money right now, you have to send it. You're not just send her 15,000. You're not just send her.
Yeah, but no man, you can't know that.
So how am I know if she not just come over here while I got a boss? I say you're idiot and yeah, she ATM and she a clown you.
No man, me not tell you. A whole heap of people tell me say they use me now. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you know, but in the first time I him there. He use me and can out all of my money and
so that she do again?
I can't, no man, I can't believe that.
She use you. She tell her own family, you know, so it's serious.
But, so when you come back and tell me?
Come to say you're a good youth, so she talk about him, she say you're a good youth, and I'm willing to give her a second chance. If you kick up that the girl, because she not worth it.
No man, so...
Girl not for use, man. Worse, you're a good youth. You can't come over there boast like say you're an idiot, or you're a clown, or you're shit. If a woman and say you're ATM, if you be shame.
No, I'm shame, I feel like we are, yo.
She tell everybody on the road to one of me alone, she tell. So you should believe the people I'm going to tell her.
Which I know since morning though. And Bridget called me and show me pre-session to use me.
Yeah,
so I go over here, you know, but me feel that man just love chat.
My family, she just come out ago. You just send 15,000 to her. She come over there. Why? I'm on an ATM, come on.
So I'm telling me that I don't have family, I don't have problems. Because what this in movie, and I'm telling me that I don't have problems.
I like that. No, but how she look maga, she look so out here, she not like she have on weight. If person never did a trick, going to expect her look like a dog, maga dog.
Tell me, you specifically, not even my other sister.
I like that. Ask the other sister next year, not don't go also. She ungrateful. She want to leave the house and go take how much money she need to take. And I alone she take either. So she want to take all of them so she can all of the money can coop up.
A whole heap of people tell me say Shanti, you know, good girl, you know.
She's a whore. And
every one of them is for Shanti, you know. Every one of them, you know. So what makes Shanti go on so now?
She's a whore and she a cunning artist too. She a gold digger, you never know. Anytime I do run her, what she talk to you about? The money alone she talk about.
But you tell me say you love me.
And that you tell all them and them. Then I say you fool by love? No man, then you fool them man.
So what me can do?
Kick your girl out if you want me to work. You want me to work?
So I know say you not gonna use me tomorrow.
If me dey use it first time when I meet me, now that I first see me, I said to you, so give me a 10 grand. Wouldn't I ask for money? Okay, and you realize that I have no man military, I own him up, right?
See, no man now.
No, me can't bother with him, he's too toxic. But you can't know that woman a gold digger, and the first time I meet Shanti, she never did talk about money, the money she talk about.
Even last time me and him link up back on money, I did all.
Okay, did I ask you about money, or I just simply say to you, I have a man, which means I'm a loyal person, you can realize, no matter how you done for me.
But I don't think, boy, so you saying you have a good life for you, cause yo, me can't believe this, you know.
She have a perfect bed and she eats straight through. She just ungrateful, she want to live a loose life, and me and she big sister, I can't allow her to live a loose life. I tell her to stay with one man, but no, she want to have you and hold it a different man.
I'm telling you, right now, it's like a job sitting from my heart.
Leave your friend she there with too.
Who?
Don't worry about that. Anyways, you make me work or what?
That me I forgot to do, you know, because I forget about revenge from Shanti.
I'm the perfect example for that.
So you know, I feel one way, you know, your sister.
Why would I feel that way and she want to live a loose life? You know how much man the girl have out there? All the friend them she there. You know,
nobody not tell me no more, man. Not tell me no more. Cause from when my friend them tell me for true, you know. Not tell me no more, man.
I mean, first I didn't want, you know, so what happened? So what happened? You get me now, if I want a revenge, my the best plan.
So, alright.
To make she feel that way for all her man that she take.
You can't follow me, go kick him out, because I can't live by myself. I love Shanti too much. I'm weak to him.
No problem, so you go really go around there and make a girl go in your head again. Yeah, you know, say a fool and the girl there, so? I'm surprised that she don't carry no sickness gun gear. Unless her name is condom.
Jesus Christ.
You all go around there, well. Your woman don't know you're taking off, man. What's your problem?
Just look.
And if you ever weak to them, not really be a clown. Not only me go laugh off your people, I'm not street to your friend, them, but she take to go laugh off.
Thank you for telling me. Just follow me, go put him out. God knows.
Yeah, me surely put her out because she not no behavior. I'm the best revenge plan.
Can't believe this too, man.
What's that?
This woman, wicked, you know, man.
That's so serious, but where you go, do?
I want to go on there, so.
Shanti.
How will you catch a girl around me yard for?
Shanti.
Your yard?
Shanti, you don't have to pretend. You tell me everything.
Me not ask you that. What you do with she around here, so?
Shanti, what I'm a friend. What I'm a friend. You know, say what I'm a friend and tell me.
Stop talk so low. Top talks like a soft
You are not.
something.
Shanti, what I'm friend and tell me say use me, you know. You really go over here, go tell your sister, say, yo, much money me I send you, I'm an ATM
So,
to you.
no, you're not ATM.
Shanti, a while ago your sister come
Somebody-
up, your sister lick me. I said, you just come over there. How me say no much?
You know you're not no
much
sense.
$1,000.
You not have no sense, no.
What do you mean, me not no sense?
You not have no sense. I know you not answer a question. What this is same thing I do over here, so.
What make you use me and take me for idiot? What make you walk and I take man? What make you walk and I take man? What make you walk and I tell the world say me an ATM?
What you talk about?
Shanti, your sister tell me everything. Even the 15,000 when me send you a while ago. How your sister know?
The girl begged me a money. Not have time to explain it.
Oh,
Talk
your
what you
sister
talk.
know everything.
Talk.
Shanti, everything I
I'm
do
back
for you.
in car out now, Davi. I'm
everything-
going to stop myself with that girl and say she's a whore.
Shanti, everything I do for you, you just take care and tell people. You use me first time, you trick me and use me and broke my heart the second time, but you now have my third time, come out of my house. No pack up none, everything you have in there, me buy. Come out of my house.
I left for no time. I said, I'm not because I'm not fight.
Go on, girl.
I left for no time.
Girl, go on. Stop moving, son, no? You see I idiot girl that stop moving, son. Come go in that house and stop moving, son. She a idiot.
Sean, I just can't say me get $15,000.
Yeah, girl.
You can't tell me say no you think because you alone me tell that.
Girl, where you attack me, boy?
You know hear what me
Me
say?
don't know nothing about you. And
Girl, are you alone me tell so me
yeah,
get
but me not tell sis nothing.
15,000.
Me not tell sis
But
nothing.
how she know?
Me don't know. When I end there, the girl bad me up. Me did go in the bathroom, go bad, and I come back, me see my phone pull. When me see my phone pull, me see she take out such my
Girl.
number. I do not know about anything.
The man come on the yard with Jessica. My tell me say me tell her everything about my ATM, me mad this and mad that and whatever and the boy put me out. And I man Jessica there.
So where you go, girl? Car? I'll make her catch me. You can't come back in here, no?
And that me want to find out now. But if I today me tell you say me get $15,000, and you tell me say what year Jessica go in the earphone and see the message. Oh, that go.
Girl, me no know nothing. You say sister take your man. Probably the man a chat you with your sister. I ain't know nothing. You beg me to call the boy and me call the boy for you. That's all. Your man did a look me and me tell you. Me say sis, me never hide it. Till you say I never know nobody good. See, you know you put your to your own sister.
Me have a plan. We are go pies Jessica. Araga pop Jessica bad belly dirty. You know what? Can go in the house.
And you alone go pop Jessica. Come in and help her pop nobody. I ain't me live.
We have a plan.
We
are go. Me are go pies all can get it. Oh, see we sell go on girl. Go on. Popping nastiness.
Get away out of my house.
sis, no, nobody.
You don't pick man over me. What you doing here?
Sis, nobody with it. Nobody with it.
Girl, nobody listen to me. What you doing here?
Just forgive me, girl.
What me I forgive you for? You don't pick man over me. What me I
Miss.
See, sis, just give her a chance. See me, did I tell her say boy that and the boy no mean?
Yeah, look how me easy to get in an idiot head. You sure it's how an idiot boy you pick up.
See,
But now
girl?
you're frightened of a man. And you look dry one and follow him.
Me a follow, sis, how me fear follow sis and
Alright.
No, you
You should have broke your heart. Oh shit, he already did.
Listen, can put this here aside? Walla we are one, you know? Walla we are sister. Me know me figure out, but at the end of the day, walla we are one. Me make some drinks, curry cheers and have peace.
Whatever, just get up, my mister. Put my phone bed.
Cheers to sisters.
Fine.
She not even could have wait. Jesus. Take time, man. Wait, look at her. I want me to you. Jesse. Sean. You work. Cheers to sister.
Yeah, girl.
Me did tell you. You know certain things that go work, man.
Sis,
I want me to you.
sis,
Eh?
sis,
Eh?
sis.
Eh? Yes. Oh, so for me now. You never know, so no hypocrite. Oh, no hypocrite. Long time. I should have pissed in a cup. Damn in that thing. The things that Shan, you know, so I'm a person in a cup for two of them. Only thing Shan do, you know, I pass the cup give me. So I don't feel right. So I don't feel right. Oh, Jesus.
Boom! From you see the face and you hear the voice, you know one Chelsea 87. The only crazy diva upon the app. I'm represent for Davi HD. Thanks for watching the movie. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Press the notification bell so every time a new movie drop, you get a notification. You understand? Tell a friend, tell a friend. Always remember that.